So we've got a 2014 Citation Sovereign Plus, the successor model to the Sovereign, offering about 300 nautical miles greater range. The airplane's certified service ceiling is 47,000. Normal cruise about 459 knots, and range with seats full is approximately 2,800 nautical miles. It probably lives and breathes somewhere closer to the 40s, but it's certified for 47,000 feet. So this is a 9-passenger in double club configuration with a single side-facing seat. Most people like to put as many people in an aircraft as possible, so the extra seat here, without being crammed in, is it's definitely a selling point. I say more and more we're seeing lighter interiors, no real earth tones or grays, as much as almost white interiors sometimes, white seats. Cream always been a popular choice. The woodwork, in this case, a little bit darker than some people like it. So you get the touchscreen LCDs at all the seating positions, eight seated positions. I don't think we have one up at the side facing, but you have the USB ports. These screens are optional, but you've got worldwide internet capability versus just domestic. You've got all the USB inputs, but just comfortable 2,700, almost 2,800 nautical mile aircraft. A lot of guys want coffee or refreshments, so you generally come up to the side-facing seat. If it's not, somebody's not sitting there, you sit down, you can pour your coffee. You got the coffee cups in there if you want wine. You've got, this one isn't equipped with a microwave. Some of the larger aircraft, of course, have them. But this is the Refreshment Center, and easier to get to for the pilots or anybody sitting in the side seat here, so you don't have to stand up and spill your coffee anywhere. You got storage on the left side, and on the right side you have all your accoutrement for the sodas, wine, champagne to celebrate the deal.